Hello friends, this is Anuj Arora and I am presenting to you my project for IMS Information Management System. Its name is Patiala Shahi Lassi, as you can see. So now I will show you the pages and the code. Here are the pages presented and the code is written inside them. And when you run it, it is running at the moment. So it's the login page. It's an application. It's basically an application for the Shahi Lassi Patiala, and it's the first login page. So if you are an employee, if you are login as an employee, if you log in as an employee, like I'm doing so at this moment. So when you log in as employee, you can see there are two tabs present here. One is billing and second is of menu. If you go inside the bill, then another window opens, and inside this, as you can see, the menu has been listed perfectly, and there are three tabs here. First is of lassi, second is of bakery and extra, and third is sugar free and grilled items. So in the lassi, if we choose if you click on any of the tabs, then it has been listed here. It has been added to your cart. And if you go inside bakery and extra, so you can also order from here as well. So one sandwich has been ordered, and if you select from here, this you can you can change the quantity of any of the order which you have placed by simply clicking here. At first you have to click at like this, sugar free burfi, then you would like to select that, and the two items have been selected. These are the three items, and sugar free burfi quantity has been raised to 2. Your phone number is required for confirmation, so we can type any number. You can type any number like so your order has been placed successfully. And if you want to go back, you can simply cancel it and you can exit. Now when we go inside menu tab, then inside menu tab there are three tabs present. First is of lassi, as there was before, and second is bakery, and third is sugar free grilled items. You can see they have been perfectly listed. Now I will show you how you can log in as a manager. So if you go inside this, you select the manager, then type is our username, as I am doing so. Yeah, I enter my password and then I am logged in. So inside this, if you want to add an employee as you are the manager, so if you go inside this, you can see a new ID number is generated from the backend. Like if I type a name, host will be of employee, phone number I can type anything, then username can be anything, whichever you want to like. Address can be anything. So if you save it, then record has been inserted successfully. Now if you had some discrepancies in the form, so they would be shown, that would be shown here. Like as you can see here, now if you want to save a new entry, then a new ID has been generated. And if I type anything here and if I try to save it, then it shows me that there are discrepancies which you have to fill first. And if you want to go back, you can simply cancel and you will be directed to the previous page. You can go to edit details as well, and to view, you can also view the employees. Now if we go to supplier, if you want to add a supplier here, so here also a supplier ID has been generated. And if I type a supplier name, product supplied can be anything which you want to enter. Quantity you can edit here, sorry for that. And cost can be anything, address you can type anything here. Save. So the record has been inserted successfully here. If you want to go back, you can press cancel button. This was the supplier. You can add and edit as well here. And then if you go inside the menu tab, then you can add or edit or view the menu. If you go to add menu, then you can add the menu item in the database. So the item number has been generated, and if we type anything here, then you can type price can. So the here record has been inserted successfully, and this order and this menu item has been added to the database. You can cancel and you can go back to the previous page. The manager can also see the order details, the billing amount, so he or she can go inside this, and he can search by date and search here and search, or he can also search by the order number. So it will be simply be listed here. At the moment there are no order placed, so I will not be able to show that. So this was the application which was built for Shahi Lassi in Patiala. The languages that are basically used, the first is Java, of course, for the application for the front end part, and NetBeans is the application which has been used as a framework. Then JDBC ODBC bridge is used for connectivity. As you can see, it is the client, Java application, JDBC API, and JDBC ODBC bridge here is connecting the client and the server. And thirdly, Microsoft SQL Server has been used for the backend, for the database. So if we go inside NetBeans, you can see there are many. This is the order confirm icon, this is the menu page, this was the page. So you can see there are many pages built inside here. This was the main login page. So thank you for watching the video. See you again.